Surprising health benefits of moringa leaves. The moringa tree, often referred to as the miracle tree, earns its name for valid reasons. This remarkable tree boasts medicinal properties in its leaves, fruit, sap, oil, roots, bark, seeds, pods, and flowers. The diverse products derived from the tree find application in various ways, contributing to its reputation. Additionally recognized as the drumstick tree, moringa is predominantly found in Asia, Africa, and South America. Moringa seeds are rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds, providing several potential health benefits. Moringa leaves, commonly referred to as drumstick leaves, stand out for their exceptional nutritional richness, surpassing the nutritional value of carrots, oranges, and even milk. These leaves are widely utilized in Indian cuisine due to their versatility, allowing for incorporation into various dishes. Common methods of consumption include adding them to juices or using them as stir-fry vegetables. Notably, when consumed in their natural state, moringa leaves are free from any side effects. We will be looking at the moringa leaves' nutrition, amazing health benefits of moringa leaves and potential drawbacks. Here are some of the amazing health benefits of moringa leaves. 1. Abundant in vitamins and minerals. Moringa leaves boast a wealth of essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B6, and folate. They are also a rich source of minerals such as magnesium, iron, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. A single cup of moringa leaves contains approximately 2 grams of protein, providing significant percentages of the recommended dietary allowance (RDA) for various nutrients, including magnesium, 8% of the RDA, vitamin B6, 19% of the RDA, iron, 11% of the RDA, riboflavin, 11% of the RDA, and vitamin A, 9% of the RDA. 2. Rich in amino acids. Being rich in amino acids means that moringa leaves contain a variety of these organic compounds, which are the fundamental building blocks of proteins. Proteins play a crucial role in the structure and function of cells, tissues, and organs in the human body. Amino acids are the individual units that link together to form proteins. Moringa leaves are particularly noteworthy because they contain all 9 essential amino acids, which the human body cannot produce on its own and must obtain through diet. In addition to the essential amino acids, moringa leaves also contain non-essential amino acids, bringing the total to 18 different types. 3. Anti-inflammation effects. Inflammation is the natural response of the body to pain and injury. Moringa leaves possess anti-inflammatory properties attributed to the presence of isothiocyanates. These leaves contain niacinamide, a compound recognized for inhibiting the development of cancer cells. Since inflammation is at the core of various diseases, such as cancer, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and autoimmune diseases, its regulation is crucial. Following an injury or infection, the body experiences heightened inflammation as a protective mechanism. However, an unhealthy lifestyle and diet can contribute to an excessive increase in inflammation. Prolonged inflammation is linked to chronic health issues. Consuming moringa leaves can aid in reducing inflammation, promoting overall well-being. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means everything to us. Thank you. 3. Regulating blood sugar levels. Regulating blood sugar levels. Persistent elevation of blood sugar levels is a precursor to the onset of diabetes, which can subsequently lead to cardiovascular issues and organ damage. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Moringa leaves serve as an effective resource for achieving this balance, thanks to the stabilizing properties of isothiocyanates they contain. 4. Lowers cholesterol levels. In addition to well-known cholesterol-lowering foods like oats, flax seeds, and almonds, moringa leaves emerge as a reliable solution for combating high cholesterol. Elevated cholesterol levels are a significant contributor to heart diseases, and the consumption of moringa leaves has demonstrated notable effectiveness in addressing this concern. Moringa oleifera has the potential to reduce cholesterol levels, offering protection against the risk of heart disease. Notably, pregnant women often experience heightened cholesterol levels, increasing the likelihood of developing gestational diabetes during pregnancy. 5. Rich in antioxidants. Moringa leaves have antioxidative properties and protect against the damaging effects of free radicals present in the environment. The damage caused by free radicals is responsible for many chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart problems and Alzheimer's. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene that act against free radicals. They also have quercetin, which is an antioxidant that helps to lower blood pressure. Another antioxidant that is present in moringa leaves is chlorogenic acid, which helps to stabilize blood sugar levels post-meals. A study in women showed that taking 1.5 teaspoons of moringa leaf powder regularly for 3 months had shown a significant increase in blood antioxidant levels. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Preliminary studies indicate that moringa seeds may have hypoglycemic effects, potentially helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Sustained high blood sugar levels lead to the development of diabetes in individuals. Diabetes, in turn, can cause heart problems and organ damage in the body. To avoid this, it is good to keep the blood sugar levels in check. 7. Protects the liver. Those who have tuberculosis can benefit greatly from moringa leaves as they reduce the negative effects of anti-tubercular drugs. The leaves accelerate the repair of the liver cells. The leaves have a high concentration of polyphenols that protect against oxidative damage to the liver and may even reduce it. They increase the protein levels in the liver. The liver is the site of blood detoxification, fat metabolism and nutrient absorption, and it can function properly only if the liver enzymes are normal. Moringa leaves stabilize these liver enzymes. 9. Improves bone health. Moringa leaves serve as abundant reservoirs of calcium and phosphorus, essential elements for maintaining optimal bone health. Given their inherent anti-inflammatory properties, these leaves play a role in mitigating arthritis symptoms and potentially aiding in the healing of damaged bones. Furthermore, Moringa oleifera actively combats osteoporosis, contributing to the fortification of bones and teeth, thereby promoting overall skeletal strength. 10. Weight management. Helps in weight management. Moringa leaves increase fat burning in the body. They slim down the person without depleting energy reserves. This keeps the person feeling buoyant and nourished. They reduce cravings for food and boost metabolism. They also lower cholesterol. Potential drawbacks. While moringa and its leaves are generally regarded as safe and beneficial for most individuals, there are some noteworthy considerations to keep in mind. In larger quantities, the leaves, bark, roots, and fruit of moringa may exhibit mild laxative effects. For pregnant women, caution is advised, as the roots, bark, and extracts of moringa have the potential to induce uterine contractions. Consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable before incorporating moringa leaves or products into the diet during pregnancy. Similarly, breastfeeding women are advised to steer clear of moringa leaves due to uncertainty regarding whether certain chemicals or substances may pass through breast milk to the child. In some instances, moringa leaf powder has been found to contain higher than recommended tolerable levels of lead. Therefore, it is crucial to source any moringa extracts from reputable companies to ensure product safety. The information provided here is for educational, awareness purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for medical treatment by a healthcare professional and should not be relied upon to diagnose or treat any medical condition. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Your support means everything to us. Thank you.